This is Price Mixing It Up. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Pamela. DIY gardening. Real talk topics. Cooking and mixing in the kitchen. Travel and trips. On the water, on the plane, on the road, on the train. Hey y'all. Hey! It's Price Mixing It Up. You know what? I posted my omelets before. I don't think I showed you exactly how I pull it together. This is what I do, y'all. This is an egg omelet. I'm going to do a ham and cheese today. So this is bell pepper, purple onion, and mushroom. And most of you know my preference is purple onion. Use white onion, whatever onion you want to use, green onion. So I have quite a bit of mix here. Just going to stir fry this in a little. I'm using some imperial margarine. You can use butter, olive oil, peanut oil, canola oil, whatever you choose, however you choose. And if you don't eat eggs, whatever you use for your eggs, okay? You can make your omelet. So today I'm using eggs. Sometimes I can do this and just do a tofu scramble. You know what I'm saying? That's one of my favorites too. So I'm going to use eggs today. I don't eat a lot of eggs, but I always have eggs in the fridge for different things. And so I'm just going to stir this down a little bit. Then I have my ham. It's lunch meat ham or whatever you want to say. Not lunch deli ham, but it's cubed. So I cubed that myself. I'm going to add this to the mix. Okay. So let's see if I can do this one hand. Okay. See, am I getting better at this, y'all? Am I getting better? Okay. There we go. There we go. I'll catch the end in a minute. Okay. So this is what I learned is to stir fry this separate from the egg. And let me turn my heat down. And then I'm going to pull this off the skillet. Then I'm going to do my egg and make the base of the omelet. And once I do the egg, then I'll add this on top and flip it in half. And that works better for me. So let me see what we're going to do next here. Okay, so now, excuse me, y'all. I'm going to add my eggs in. I season my eggs. So here's the mix. All right. That's the guts of my omelet. Let's say it that way. It's a lot of eggs. So, I'm going to let this margarine melt down. Then I'm going to add these eggs in. Somebody pray. Uh-oh, y'all caught me singing. This is my favorite song, Somebody Prayed by Crowder. Somebody will probably copyright this because I mentioned it, but it's okay. Hey, so here's my omelet. Let me turn it down. The egg part. And let's see what I'm going to do here. I don't want to burn it. Doing good so far. So what I do is I move it around a little bit. What I had learned was I was trying to cook this, then flip it, and that doesn't work. So I just open up little potholes in here. And I let the rest of this egg cook. Move it around. That's my secret, y'all. And I'm going to end up with an egg patty that's pretty much almost done on both sides. So I'm not sure how you do your omelets. And maybe in the restaurants they don't do it this way. You probably use a larger skillet too, right? I'm using my small skillet. I got a bigger skillet. So this is what I'm going to do here until all this egg is cooked. And then, because I turned it down low, I don't want to scorch that. I'm going to flip it over like a pancake. Okay, so I have browned it a little bit on that side. So now I'm about to flip this over and cook this side and add my ingredients. Okay, I flipped it over. Now I'm going to add my ingredients. I have a whole bunch. This is a huge omelet. I'm going to put my cheese on here. I'm going to do those right there. You'll see. The other side is cooking still. Cheese. Add how much ever you want. Whoa! Oh my God. Yeah, I did scorch it a little bit. This is not restaurant style. You wouldn't want this one in the restaurant, huh? Because it's burnt. Well, it's not quite burnt. But there's your omelet, y'all. Look at that. It's like a big old sandwich. Oh, it's an omelet torta. Anyway, that's the omelet. That's enough for probably 3-4 people. All right. Yeah, I can eat a leftover too. So that's the omelet. Price mixing it up. Don't dislike me today because it's a little brown. But you do what you want for yours. This is mine. Price mixing it up, y'all. Can I get a whoop, whoop on the omelet? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Can I get a whoop, whoop?